Hello guys, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset Bluetooth setting on oppo phone device. Friends, you want to reset guys your oppo phone guys Bluetooth setting. So how to reset guys Bluetooth setting on oppo phone device today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to reset guys Bluetooth setting on oppo phone device. Friend, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, you can find additional setting here. So friends, click on phone additional setting. After additional setting, friends, you can see phone language setting. You want to add any language, friends, you want to change any language, so friends you can add and you can change from here guys. Friends, you can see date and time setting. Friends, you want to change your phone date and time, so you can change date and you can change time from here guys. So friends, you can see A53 setting, we will tap here. Friends, you can see talkback setting is here, color conversion and color correction setting is here friends. Friends, you can see last option backup and reset, so tap here. Friends, you can see backup and data. Friends, you want to on backup my data, Google backup account, so when you can on and you can backup account from here. Friends, click on erase all data. Friends, you want to erase all data means factory reset, you can erase from here. Friends, you can see network and internet setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see reset setting. Friends, tap here to reset your Bluetooth setting. So friends, your Bluetooth setting will reset. Friends, you can see network setting complete. Friends, now we can use guys Bluetooth setting on oppo phone device. Friends, you can see Bluetooth is on, so I already my Bluetooth is on. Friends, you have off your Bluetooth setting. Friends, now on your Bluetooth setting, after this reset guys, you can use guys your Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to pair any device guys, you can pair from here and you can use it. And friends, you can check your Bluetooth device name, and friends, you want to change your Bluetooth device name, so you can change from here guys. So we will off it. So like that we can reset Bluetooth setting on oppo phone device. So bye bye guys.